How can I add haptics inside of my SwiftUI app with just one line of code? So haptics are basically just that responsive feedback that you get when you touch something like the home button, for example, on the SE models, or on some games where you tap and you feel like a little vibration in your finger. And so it's really easy to add. All you have to do is UI impact feedback generator, choose a style, and then add dot impact occurred. And so for the styles here, you can choose heavy, light, medium, rigid, and soft. And just this line of code inside any button will add that haptic feedback. Also, there's one other way that you can add haptics, and it's just a different style, basically using UI notification feedback generator, and then dot notification occurred, and then a specific type. And this is just to add a different type of haptic from the other ones that I had added. And obviously you can only test haptics if you have a real device and you simulate it in that device. You can't just test it on your Mac. And I will try to do this later, but also just the ones that I've added are ones that I think will align well with the buttons that I've chosen. Happy coding!